she that nice and stay good even though she old and so. She that stay good and so. Yeah, get us to the daughter. Get us to the daughter. Yeah, I see what's up my boy. Awesome. Come.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming.
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, AC gang? Your girl Abbi here, and guys, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna take a look at road trip. Yeah. One Saturday, I'm just want to say happy birthday to my mother, R.I.P. You was a great mother. And so, guys, I'm just gonna take you up on a journey with me. Keep on now come because I'm off school. You know, so just follow me. Make sure say before you go up on the road and have on a mask and also have an ID also because them say we're not supposed to depart road without mask and identification. Like when you forget say I see or something I go on. So me, my sister and my brother I go up on a journey, guys. So when they just come and guess what, I have my one piece of shirt, what I love, and my one piece of pants, what I love more, and guess what, my one, so I repeat them as much as I want. I want some dirty people. I don't come beat me for my own clothes. People, imagine I put on my stay good mask. I know say the dirty boy careful. Last my mask, I see you someone, you can't go up on the road without a mask. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. People, the boy don't make sense none time. But tell them no, somebody don't want him. Please, somebody come take him. Jesus, please. The boy lost my mask. I don't know for look. I see what something I go on. Where ya? Jesus, I'm tired right now. Oh, sister, I'm tired right. But really tired right. You know, guys, that day is supposed to be a sad day for me. But you know me always a try be vibrant in a sad situation, you know. Nasty cap on my mask.
What do you mean by that?
One more mask there.
Your mouth on my ass.
Yeah, batty boy. He's a little batty boy.
What's up about my mask?
Guys, I can't find my mask. So guess what? I kept
This
forgetting
is my dog.
Bad man. You know when bad man, look at bad man mark on him face. Watch a big
Really?
day.
Really?
Watch a big day. Jesus! I'm going to end up borrow free mask, which I think is safe none time. But I spray it down with some alcohol while I go both sides. And so, if people have that shit, that means I'm going to catch you now because of carelessness. Do not be a Abbi. Alright? So what I'm going to do, I bring my scratch bright, I'm going to bring some water and look of soap because you know when you go to the graveside, stone something want to clean off and normally people clean it off. But because we never look for you last year, I say, you know what, I don't want a stranger clean it off. Even though the people them look hustling, but I just feel like say, me want to do it. So I'm going to do it. So guys, after over 2 minutes of searching for my nice clean mask, dirty cap up all it up in a clean clothes and so. Give me my mask. All this. Yeah.
Abbi, tell
my mask. My
tell
nice
them,
clean
say,
mask. Keep a bad mind. The boy a bad mind. Yes, a bad mind mark and I look a dirty boy face. I'm gonna behave myself when I because I'm gonna look for my mother and so. Yeah, she grew me as a nice little girl. So come on. So guys, I'm not about to bring them here because one fat boy just them have everything and so. My mask, my this, my bag juice. Keep on, see you later. My alcohol. Man, don't make them rob me, you know.
Yeah, we done a knife, we done a gun.
Good thing me have my pepper spray.
Pepper spray. You have pepper spray?
Welcome to Duff Cut, guys. People believe that this used to be a driveway. Where? Them told the whole I driveway them. In a grave, I see something. When we come back, yes, I can't drive pan. Pure grave are there, so. So guys, now got the place now. Guess what? I have to read them man back at me. I have a see them and stop and I whisper to them and I talk.
Stop your ass, Abbi.
See so guys, as you can see, we find it. And this that claim to say this is our grandfather. Well, because of them grandfather. And so
Papa.
And that because the people them dead and if you look back on the people them. Yeah guys, so as my dad say, that because of the people them dead don't need to come back come look on them, because when time I look on some of them stone here, them stone look like say people not visit nobody them in how much years now. So if you don't feel like someone a person fall out on a bad term or something like so, still look for the people them, wash off them headstone or so man. Yeah. Fat guy. So guys, as my dad say, underneath if you know no matter right, underneath just make it up, underneath just work things out because see this hard but at the same time I have to just live with it. The sun out of my eyes. I don't cry, I cry, the sun out of my eyes. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna get used to this now, you know. For who don't know, who new to the channel and I post a video about this already, but I actually, you know, private it back because I get over it, you know. Like say I have to accept the fact that she gone or so. So I tell one from now, when I write with no matter, we always have disrespect for no matter. When I'm not respect no one tell, underneath have respect for no matter. Yeah, no matter can be miserable and so, but as some mother still have respect for your mother because as an quint, this marriage, you know, we have family for no matter on the website. So just appreciate the people, them, not just mother alone, anybody, but you know me I do it because of my mother. I appreciate no matter. As much as she's miserable, I just say you're gonna have to just understand that's what the thing said. Just walk it out, don't ever raise an advice pan her, don't disrespect her. You know? And I hate that. I'll go back and I don't want to stand up for the people them because they don't know me. I want nobody box me. Yeah.
We come to say happy birthday to you.
Yes. Happy birthday
How
to
old would she be?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear good girl Angela Bola Cancer. Happy birthday to you.
Continue to watch us. Watch over us and guide us. Hopefully I can come back with my future husband one day.
Look what she got me. Put it, take up some of it.
It's a piece of bush and it was in a thing and I strip it off the thing. So this is brand new.
You can't bring old people nowhere now.
Sure. We love you and we miss you. We'll try and come back for Mother's Day.
Bring some.
Bring some fly on me. Abbi?
And why that crap on your back?
Abbi, go fuck off.
Guys, you know, sister, my body down, the manners, my body down, none about it, you know. Imagine, there are people dead yard, dead place, me there and shit that take me. I see what some of me I tell you now. My bottom have nothing about it. And I can't control it. I don't know why I stay so, and I wasn't like that. I swear to God, I wasn't like that. So guys, you know what we are do? We take off the plastic off of this, you know, because guess what some of them, that's what them boys do. You see, as soon as you walk away, they will take away your things and go sell good, clean things where you bring for your people, you know. As soon as I turn them back, you know, they will take them off and sell them. I see what's alright. Mother, we're leaving. We're leaving, Harry. Later.
Take it then. Papa says if you enjoy your cake.
Later, we'll come and visit another day.
Love you, Mom.
Bye, mother.
Yeah, guys, so go home time now because we have to go back. Look how short step on people them. We have to go back in Kingston before 6 o'clock. So we're leaving. We out.
Then I'm gonna go to class, backside.
Yeah, it is that. We just reach back. Guys, last the couple just done school online, so that's that. I come
Oh,
up
wow.
with
Oh, wow. And you say care party and I give me none.
Yeah, very hungry. Oh,
Let me go, man. Let me go.
I can't let you go, bro. I gotta trap you.
Let me go,
I
man.
gotta trap you.
So let me go! So, if you buy party and I give me none.
Come here, hungry. you can't find, you know, for our guns. We got duff cat.
Yeah, but I know if anybody party on the way, when I come back, you buy it.
Yeah.
Where you buy it? Which part?
Far.
Which part?
Far. Just believe me, no man, look at you. I'm tired. So this is the end of the vlog. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also subscribe if you're new. Turn on the bell. That's when we post. And you can get notified because most of you not get the video them, will not get the notification them. So in order to get the notification, guys, press the bell and select all. Alright guys. So bye.